Hi, I'm Jeremiah, a student at the Digital Video Technology class in Chipley, Florida. We learn everything from flying drones to green screening, photography, videography, editing photos and videos, and recording audio on a state-of-the-art soundboard. We record bands playing, shooting models, take various field trips, and a lot of hands-on learning and training. As Paul Goulding, our teacher, tells us, it's like running a business here at the Digital Video Technology class. We do a lot of advertisement for the Florida Panhandle Technical College in Chipley, Florida, where our class is located. Come visit us today.